Me Myself Mom, Mompreneurs Network, where work meets lifestyle.
12th of June, I actually got published the book, which is the reason for us to have this community. Most of you know that what is the background of starting such kind of a community. So I want mothers to share their stories and inspire others through whatever activity, whatever engagement we are doing. It is just for the sake that each one of us get an opportunity to share our experience and stories with others. So thank you so much for joining once again. And Divya, you have uttered a very, very useful and fantastic word, and that is mindful. It's really, it is something which is so very important for all of us. Like it is said that mindfulness clears the windshield of the mind so that we can see things as they really are.
To be mindful, as I practice Vipassana, so it's more about the moment you you bring your mind towards your breathing, just to know that you are inhaling and to know that now you are exhaling. So that is the best way to anchor your own thing, and wherever you go with this, the breathing is always with you. So that is what was taught to us in Vipassana. It works wonder.
Meditation is the best way to be more mindful, because if you try to meditate and bring all your concentration on your center point of your body, then you will realize that from that point, in our Granths also you have seen that from that one single point, everything has evolved. Even we give birth to a child, so that the connection between a child and a mother is from that point only. So if you try to be if you try to meditate and bring all your concentration on that single point, you will realize that you're very mindful and everything is under your control.
But it is about being in the moment. As Prem Sai very rightly said, it's about being in the moment. The thoughts will come and go, but you need to focus and be in the moment and enjoy every moment. And that's, I think, is more of mindfulness.
Something which, again, taking from Divya, playing. So let's play a very small game. Who said that?
Nika.
Yes. Excellent. So हम लोग का ये जो है ना, मतलब जिन लोग के साथ हम काम करते हैं, the moments we share and the acts we do, if everything is giving us those levels of accomplishments, then we are actually living our purpose. So ये game, I generally prefer to keep a small plate and make small boards and try, ऐसे इसको थोड़ा stir करो और देखो कि ये मिल रहा है ना एक जगह पे. To keep on asking yourself that whether they're coming to that, intriguing point that you are living your purpose.
I am Dr. Vaishali Tripathi, and I am an educator, a healer, and author, and an subject matter expert at present. From 14 years, I'm in education field, and I love being with kids, but the kids should be of older age and not very young age, because I'm very scared of young age kids. And I love learning each time. I'm into everything. मुझे ये भी पसंद है. I love जैसे I am learning guitar as well. Then wherever the webinars are going, I go and try to learn new things. Like recently, I have joined that 3-day workshop of Curious Piyush. Ma'am is also there with me, so I'm enjoying that also. So I love learning, and my USP is that help everyone and don't have a lot of expectations, because expectations when breaks hurts you. So it's better to live the way the life is taking you, instead of having expectations, and be with everyone. That's simple thing, and live a very simple life and enjoy every moment.
Wow. A financial planner and mentor. And yes, as Dr. Vaishali said, I believe that you need to live life to the fullest, and I always strive to be the better version of myself daily. And I feel that's more important, because you cannot change the world, you can change yourself and be a better person. One person daily will definitely make a difference.
I basically focus on the evolving part of a life. each moment, even physiologically also we change. What we think 15 minutes before we change our, the feeling and thinking changes after 15 minutes. So it's, each and every moment is a evolving process. So basically my USP is, as I was sharing with Sarbri, that whatever the situation or a moment or a thing or anything, any kind of scenario, I ask few questions to myself, being a coach, coaching self, that what is the best thing I can do in this scenario? Am I giving my best? And if it is a thing, is it useful? So I have stopped questioning as I used to do earlier when I was suffering a lot with my back issues and all. Like, why? I have stopped asking the question like, why has it happened with me? Or whether it is good or bad, or black or white, acha hai nahi, acha hai no. So does it work for me? Is it useful for me? So these questions opens up my exploration wala pitara, and then I get some answers from the unconscious, which if I ask those questions black and white or good or bad, I will not be able to explore those answers. So that has always helped me. So and that's my USP, and because of that, from a lot of pain and health issues and a lot of different kind of situations, depressions, all that, after a death of my brother and all that. So I have evolved the whole journey just by doing this on a daily basis. So each day my morning starts with like, so subah ho gaya, what's the best thing I can do today? So that is my decision. What is that I'm going to focus today? Second is, what is it I'm choosing to let go today if something comes up as an obstacle? And the third thing is gratitude towards what is, because what is itself is a huge it has a lot of depth. If we sit with this, what is that is very important. So I ask these three questions almost every day. It has become a very second skin to me, going through these three. So bed se uthi sir, because I do yoga and vipassana after that. So I ask these three questions, and it is an evolving process, and then I take the day from there, and that helps me to let go whenever there is an obstacle.
It is that I will say the tagline and you have to guess which brand it is. Pasand?
मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा